In a land where magic thrived, a shimmering creature unveiled her dazzling mane. The air buzzed with the promise of adventure. A wise sage beckoned her with urgency. The sparkle crystal, once bright, now flickered weakly. Time was slipping away. Quick as a flash, a soft-footed friend sprang into action. With eyes wide and heart brave, he raced toward the adventure. Up and up, a curious companion climbed. With nimble paws and an adventurous spirit, he reached for the sky's bridge. United by purpose, they joined forces. A plan took shape, drawing paths of hope across Glimmerwood's map. But shadows danced nearby, whirling with mischief. A crafty sprite guarded the sparkles, plotting under moonlit whispers. Hearts beating in unison, they approached with courage. What once felt like a threat now seemed like a chance for understanding. Instead of swords and shields, they offered words. Kindness wrapped around them like a warm embrace, melting icy intentions. Together they filled the crystal with lost sparkles. A burst of light erupted, showering Glimmerwood with colors of joy. Laughter rang through the air, a symphony of harmony. Friends once divided now rejoiced amidst the vibrant spectacle. In their hearts, a new understanding blossomed. They were no longer foes, but allies in a world alive with color. With magic restored, a promise lingered in the air. Unity sparkled brighter than any spell, a truth forever shared.